Hello, my name is Eugenio Moreno Godoy and I would like you to know something about my life. I was born in Jarandilla de la Vera on December 24, 1884. One of its most famous festivals is that of Los Escabezos, in which fire is the protagonist. My wife Emilia's parents were Ricardo Barrocoso Canadas and Maria Sopatrana Núñez Ramos. On April 12, 1913, I embarked with my wife Emilia Barrocoso Núñez on the ship Hascott and 64 other Jarandillanos to travel to the Hawaiian Islands to work in the sugar cane plantations. But we left our beloved daughter Bernarda with her grandmother in Jarandilla de la Vera because she was too young. The boat trip of almost 2 months crossing 2 oceans was very dangerous, although I always regretted that decision. In Hawaii we had a daughter, Mary Moreno Barrocoso, born in 1914, who married Lesmes, an emigrant from Macatara, Salamanca, and Francisco, who was born in California. We were only in Hawaii for 2 years because the work was very hard on the sugar cane plantations, so in 1916 we took the ship Masonia bound for San Francisco, which was about 4,000 kilometers from Hawaii. My wife Emilia died in California in 1919 during the birth of our 4th son Antonio, who also did not survive. They had also traveled to Hawaii from Jarandilla, Nicolasa, sister of Emilia, and her husband Tomas Leal with their 1-year-old son Serapio. In Hawaii they had another daughter named Dolores. Tomas died in California in a mine in 1917. As Nicolasa and I were widowed, we were married on January 10, 1920 in California. On the left are my children, Mary and Fran. To the right of Nicolasa are her children Serapio and Dolores. And the little ones are the ones we had together, Louise and Joseph. The Barrocoso Núñez siblings were 4. One sister named Eloisa stayed in Jarandilla de la Vera. The 3 remaining siblings emigrated to Hawaii, Emilia, my first wife, Nicolasa and Arcadio. Here is the grave of Arcadio in California, who died in 1923. Arcadio Barrocoso Núñez traveled to Hawaii with his wife Carmen Cartador de la Cruz and their newborn son Jose Barrocoso, who did not survive the boat ride and was thrown overboard. Carmen is pictured with her brother Justo in California. Carmen and Justo, who were 21 and 18 years old, traveled to Hawaii on the ship Hascott with their parents Juan Cartador Barrocoso, born in Jarandilla de la Vera in 1854, and Antonia de la Cruz Iglesias that we can see in the photo. In this photo we see my beloved daughter Bernarda in Jarandilla and her granddaughter Maria Castro, that is, my great-granddaughter. The marvel of the Cuevas del Aguila in Arenas de San Pedro, province of Avila, were discovered in 1963 by Bernarda's sons. In the foreground is Luis Bercio Moreno. Together with him Florencio, Jose and Seferino discovered it. They are my grandchildren and I am very proud of them. In the 70s Bernarda's brothers and other relatives came from California. They came to Jarandilla de la Vera to meet their sister and visited the Cuevas del Aguila. Well, nothing more, friends. I hope you have been interested in my story. Like this there are many more that will be announced at the Congress to be held in Spain in October 2022, organized by the Club Universo Extremino. Jarandilla de la Vera, Coria and Cáceres will be the 3 venues of the Congress, and it is possible that the port of Gibraltar will be visited. We encourage our descendants to come from California to visit Extremadura, the land of their ancestors. You will love it. For example, the ancient city of Cáceres, which was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1986.